Hi there, discover the VONIKI nonstick frying pan, set perfect for healthy, smokeless cooking with a durable granite surface. This set includes 3 sizes, 8, 9.5, and 11 inches, ideal for all your kitchen needs and family meals. The naturally non-stick coating means less oil, easy cleaning, and a healthier cooking experience every time. Designed with a magnetized base, these pans work on induction, gas, ceramic, electric, and more, saving you energy and time. The clear glass lids let you monitor your food without losing moisture or nutrients, while ergonomic, heat-resistant handles ensure safe, comfortable use. Crafted through 78 steps and 45 days of careful polishing and coating, this cookware combines beauty with long-lasting durability. Elevate your cooking with this stylish, versatile, and easy-to-use skillet set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.